Welcome to Greek 1. This is vocab for chapter 6 and mounts. Let's jump right in. First word I got for you is agape. Agape. It means love. Keep a note that it does not mean only a divine, pure, heavenly form of love. Obviously, it is used that way a lot of times in the New Testament, but it can mean inappropriate love as well. It could mean lust or passion, desire. So it doesn't have to be only a good kind of love. Allos, ali, allo. So this word does not have a one specific gender. There's a version for every gender. So allos is the word when it's masculine. Ali, with the ita ending, is what it is when it's feminine. And allo is when it's neuter. It means other or another. Allos, ali, allo. Other, another. Same thing with this word. You've got one for masculine, feminine, and neuter. It is avtos, avti, avto. He, she, it. Avtos, avti, avto. He, she, it. I Vasilia. I Vasilia. Kingdom. De. But and. De. Notice that sometimes it's just the delta with the apostrophe and no epsilon. That's how it's spelled when the word following it starts with a vowel. So if it starts with a vowel, like let's say ora, it wouldn't be de ora, it would just be dora. So the vowel would disappear here, the epsilon disappears, and it's just the de with the apostrophe. So de, but, and. En, in, on, among. Don't get n confused with the other n, which means one, as in the number one. This one has a soft breathing mark. The breathing mark is opening. That apostrophe is opening to the left. That is how you spell in, on, among, n. You'll see later on n with the rough breathing mark, and it faces the other way. To ergon. To ergon. Work, deed, or action. To ergon. O keros. O keros. Appointed time, season. O keros. Nin. Nin. Now. Nin. O I to. This is the article, and in Mounts' word list, he puts down the article, the English, a definite article, the. Please do not get in the habit of translating it that way. I'm not sure why Mounts does that. I think it's just so that you have something to put down. But the article in Greek is more complex than the English article. So for now, just let context, use context to give you a guess as to whether it's definite or indefinite. Later on, you'll get to the more complexities of how exactly to translate the article. For now, o ito is just the article, and we use it. You have it memorized so that you know the gender of the words. But please don't get in the habit of translating it with the word the every time. You'll see real quick that's not reasonable. Oti. Oti. That sense because. Oti. U. Uk. Not. U. Uk. Ora. I. Ora. Hour, occasion, or moment. I. Ora. The difference between this and keros is that keros is appointed time. This is more like hour or occasion or moment. So it doesn't necessarily have to have the idea of appointed. I ora. All right, that's it for vocab chapter 6. Keep working through them, memorize them, work on your pronunciation, and Godspeed.